Here we go. I'm recording now, so do not talk. Okay, so everybody write on top of this today's date, 9/19. These are all the properties, and every teacher teaches differently. And the way I teach is that I don't believe that memorizing names and memorizing things is useful at all. I like it that you are able to reference things and understand what they mean, which means that if you take good notes on this, I'll let you use it on a test, and I will let you use it on a quiz instead of having to memorize these properties. That sound good?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to start with the reflexive property, which is a very boring one. It just says that x equals x. It's basically just telling you what an equal sign is. You have to write right now. You may not play with puzzles. So this is the reflexive property, x equals x. An example of this would be like 8 equals 8. It's just defining what an equal sign is. The symmetric property says if A equals B, then B equals A, which seems obvious, but is partially there. So by that, I mean if 12 plus 11 equals 23, well, then 23 equals 12 plus 11. It doesn't matter what side of the equal sign it's on. You can switch them. Symmetric. Does that make sense to you with the word symmetric?
Yeah.
Symmetric means it's equal on both sides. Transitive. I'm going to start this one with an example, and we're going to start giving a lot of prizes now. Okay, and let me show you what's so cool about my prizes today. There's one lone dinosaur left. This poor little guy.
See the last one from the video?
Yeah. And then I'm a winner science here. This is the, what was it, maple bacon taffy, which,
Ooh, that sounds
anybody tried in here?
That sounds good.
Yeah, it tasted like kind of caramely. It tastes good. This one does not taste good. This is sour cream and onion candy. Okay? You would think it would taste like sour cream and onion chips, right? Because that's what they're going for. What it tastes like, according to people who have tasted it, and not me, is that it tastes like chicken noodle soup. But you know, like when they have Campbell's chicken noodle soup and it's like condensed and you have to add water to it, right? Like imagine if you just ate that like syrupy chicken noodle soup straight from the can. That's what this tastes like. It smells so bad that if you eat it, I'm going to make you eat it in the hallway, which is why my garbage can is in the hallway, because you're immediately going to spit it up in the garbage can, and then I'm going to give you a piece of gum from my desk, and then everybody's going to be like, gross, and that's what's going to happen. And if you're thinking, why would I pick that, raise your hand if you would totally pick that.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
Okay? Yes, Jude.
Do we get another prize if we eat it fully? Like if we...
No, thank you. No. I hope you don't. I hope you don't do it. I'm not going to encourage that at all, Jude. No.
Oh, she was...
I would also like to mention that nobody has ever thrown up in my room. I've been teaching for 11 years. Not a single person has thrown up in my room.
Yeah.
And I am really hoping to continue that. Okay, you ready to go? So the transitive property says, if 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 6 plus 1 equals 7, well, then I guess 3 plus 4 must equal 6 plus 1.
How did we write this?
Stop whistling. If I was going to write it like a mathematician, here's how I'd write it. I'd say if A equals B and B equals C, then, hands up if you think you know. Don't say it out loud. This is a prize. If A equals B and B equals C, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you guys raising your hands or not? What's going on here? This is you. You are in? Drexel, you're out? Drexel, decision. You're in? You were 4, I think. Weren't you 5, Spencer? And you're 6, Chase. Okay.
I was 2, right?
I think so. Did you just add yourself in?
Yeah.
7. Okay. Six.
C equals A.
Yeah, then A equals C. Take a prize, Jace.
Do the onion.
I'm not doing it.
You know it's Jason's
Do
birthday?
it. No, it's not.
Is it really though?
Don't lie. It's not.
It's his birthday.
It
They're
is,
lying.
it is.
They're lying.
Happy birthday, Jace.
It's not my birthday, chat.
It's also Brendan's
It's
birthday.
Brendan's birthday too.
Is it really?
Yes, yes, it is.
Happy birthday.
And yours.
No, it's not.
All right. Next. Next, we're going to do the additive identity. Now, identity, what does the word identity mean? Yes.
It's itself.
It's itself. All right, now let me explain this to you. Everybody listen to me. I'm looking for, don't say it out loud. Do not say it out loud. This is worth a prize. A number that I can add to any number that will keep it the same. A number that I can add to any number I want. I can add it to 1,000,000. I can add it to -1,000. What can I add to a number to make it the same? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Taylor, 7 Jude, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 4. 0. Okay, so now you're going to have to go a little bit further for me to win your prize. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. First of all, give me an example.
Like 7 plus 0 is 7 still.
Brilliant. 7 plus 0 is 7. That's an example. Okay, now say it like a mathematician. You can use any variable you want.
X plus 0 equals X.
Perfect. Go get a prize. Is doing it this way better than me just talking? And
Yes.
I'm actually paying attention this time.
great news.
It's not like
Hate the this time part of it. One time a student came up to me. You can laugh at me for this, okay? I gave you permission. A kid came up to me and I was wearing a dress one day, and it was because I was like not doing my laundry for a while, so I was just like, I guess we're wearing a dress. So I wore a dress to school, and this boy comes up to me and he goes, "Miss Nussbaum, you actually look nice today." And I was like, okay, let's try cutting out the word actually. You know, like you could have just said, "You look nice today."
Wow.
For the first time ever.
Wow. Very kind.
Very kind. All right, here we go. I want to know what number you could add. Here's the next prize. What number could I add to 5 to get to 0? Hands up. You cannot win if you've already won. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 this time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you already win?
Well, you saw my name.
Oh, that doesn't count. Yeah, you can win again. What was I at?
She's 11.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, if I mess up your name, then you can possibly get 2 prizes because I suck.
2 4s in a row?
9. Okay. So 5 plus 5?
Oh, wait. Never mind.
You want me to pick somebody else or do you want to try again? Okay.
I read that wrong.
6.
-5.
-5. Okay, but now, Ariana, you have to make it like a scientist, like a mathematician, so tell me. Any variable you want.
X.
Mm-hmm.
Plus -5.
Not -5, because this could be 1,000,000, and then this one would be -1,000,000, right?
-Y.
Ooh, but I want it to be the exact same thing as this.
-X.
Yes. Equals,
Equals -0.
because they cancel each other out. Do you guys know why this one's called inverse?
Because it's the opposite. Of
The opposite, exactly, of the same thing. So if it was +1,000,000, it would be -1,000,000. And if it was ++, 0.3, then it would be negative 0.3. Go get a prize, Ariana. Next, multiplicative identity property. What could you multiply something by that would keep it the same? What could you multiply something by that would keep it the same? Hands up. I'm gonna start on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. $13.